Today I am coming with a new topic. Are we using the right cookware? I am Kochu Baby Manjooran and you are watching SKBM Videos episode 14. The cookware we use to prepare our dishes is as important as the food itself. Even the healthiest diet can bring health complications if the cookware in use are incorrect. With the advent of many different materials and new cooking techniques, cookware options now become elaborate. This video is an investigation regarding the healthiest type of cookware one can use. Aluminium comes in two forms: regular aluminium and anodized aluminium. Regular aluminium is lightweight and affordable, heats very quickly and retains heat well. But it is not suitable to cook acidic foods like tomatoes, vinegar and citrus, which may ruin both the food and the cookware. Anodized aluminium is a bit sturdier, more durable and scratch resistant. Hard anodizing creates an even harder surface by fusing the aluminum oxide into the base metal. But in this also, there are chances for the coating of aluminum oxide to wear down on long usage to expose the food to the base bare metal. Hence, when non-stick cookware became popular in the 1990s, cookware manufacturers started adding non-stick coating to most hard anodized cookware. Aluminium started getting a bad reputation when research found that aluminium in our diets was dangerous. During cooking, aluminium exposed to food may dissolve from on or pitted areas. Remember, aluminium is a neurotoxic metal and various studies have linked elevated aluminium levels to everything from anemia and other blood disorders to ALS, which is a nervous system disease which causes loss of muscle control, and also to Parkinson's. Using aluminium foil while cooking is more dangerous. When you wrap your food in aluminium foil and cook, the amount of aluminium that may leach into the food exceeds significantly. Coming to non-stick cookwares, the most obvious benefit is that they are non-stick. The material is easy to clean and requires less oil only during cooking because of the smooth coating. But once the coating chips or wear out, the high heat is believed to expose the food to toxic chemicals often used in non-stick cookware, especially PFOA, perfluorooctanoic acid. Although Teflon is considered as a safe and stable compound, at temperatures above 300 degrees centigrade, Teflon coatings on non-stick cookware start to break down, releasing toxic chemicals into the air, and inhalation of these fumes may lead to polymer fume fever, also known as Teflon flu. These fumes are toxic to birds also. Until 2015, Teflon was made using perfluorooctanoic acid or PFOA, which is a suspected carcinogen, hormone disruptor, and reproductive toxin. Gen X made with a perfluorinated compound, PFBS, are being used as replacement for PFOA, but recent reports project them also as hazardous to human health. Recent thermolone technology uses a salt gel process to make ceramic non-stick coating, which can withstand temperatures up to 450 degrees centigrade. But ceramic coatings are said to suffer from disadvantages like it loses its non-stick properties sooner, it is less durable, doubtful even cooking, and warping at high temperatures. Coming to stainless steel of thick gauge is a good all-round material for nearly all types of cuisines. It heats up quickly, but it does not distribute heat well like other materials. Some higher-end varieties add an aluminum or copper core to fix this problem. It is also tougher to clean, as burned-on foods can really latch on unless you purchase a higher food-grade stainless steel or 18-8 stainless steel containing 18% chromium and 8% nickel. High quality food grade stainless steel pans made thicker by layering multiple stamped sheets on top of one another like tri-ply, 5-ply, etc. are the best suitable ones even though they are more costly. Cast iron is a very old cooking material which is porous, affordable and durable. Traditionally, it is believed that cooking in iron utensils provides health benefits since some iron get released into our food. It possesses ample thermal mass to avoid burnout problems. It heats up slowly and cools slowly and allows even cooking of our food. This is especially advantageous on natural fires, which is unpredictable and hard to control. Iron also works on induction cooker. It is easy to clean, possesses adequate non-stick property with proper seasoning, and provides toxic-free cooking experience. They need to be seasoned properly, not only before using them, but also every few weeks. Otherwise, foods will stick to the surface of the pan. Most cast iron manufacturers these days are pre-seasoning their pans at the factory itself. It is not ideal for cooking acidic foods as it reacts with them, giving food a tinny taste or discoloration. Also, it will rust if not maintained properly. Earthenware. Indian culture has always used earthenware. They have the heat bearing capacity for open fire, slow cooking, and tends to be of low cost. Very versatile as it allows us to grill, brown, braise, and fry our food items. Earthenware pot cooking tends to infuse our foods with calcium, phosphorus, iron, magnesium, sulfur, and other wanted nutritional elements. They, being alkaline in nature, helps to balance the pH levels of our acidic foods. Earthenware pots will help to preserve all food nutrients and to keep its taste intact. The clay content allows moisture and heat to circulate through our food, which further helps in retaining nutrients. It also allows us to cook even without using oil or fat or any other liquids of that kind. The drawbacks with the clay pot cooking is that it takes double time to cook food as compared to other mediums and they are easily breakable. A knowledge about the composition of the clay will help us to know not only the useful minerals but also the harmful metals, if any, that can leach from it. Unglazed varieties are preferable as the glazing coating contain many times controversial ingredients. Now I am coming to the bottom line statement. The safest pots and pans to cook with are those that leach the least amount of chemicals and heavy metals. Since every material offers benefits and risks, it is always better to diversify the cookware materials. Cast iron, stainless steel, and earthenware are the safest choices we can make depending on the type and nature of the ingredients of cooking. PTFE, PFOA, PFOS, Teflon, and Gen X, although non-stick, are not the best choice. With this, I am leaving you. Do you find this video informative? If your answer is yes, please like, share and subscribe. Your support is really meaningful to me. Thanks a lot and see you next time with a new topic. A big thank you.